You're the man that makes my phone ring. Now we went from 2 to 5 employees, and we've probably maintained a 30 to 45 day lead time on us getting to a job.
You did so much for my business, and I just owe the world to you, brother. If it wasn't for you, we would never made it this far.
Hey, my name is Will Lestrange. I'm a business owner in Louisville, Kentucky, and I want to leave a quick testimonial for Jason Guy. It's been really helpful for the growth of my own business. Jump in, you won't regret it.
We've noticed a 300 to 400% increase in revenue and volume. Once we added on the website that you provided, we were able to take on an employee full-time.
And I would recommend them to anyone that's looking forward to starting a business or increasing their business to really look them guys up.